हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन। ओके, आज हम पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन के बारे में बात करेंगे। क्या है ये? पैटर्न जो है, शोधकर्ताओं का कहना है कि जब बच्चे पैटर्न का पता लगाते हैं या सीखते हैं तो हम बाद के काम के लिए महत्वपूर्ण नींव बनाने में उनकी मदद करते हैं। पैटर्न के माध्यम से पैटर्न बनाना, विस्तार करना, नामकरण करना, बात करने से मजबूत गणितज्ञ बनाने में मदद मिलती है। यहाँ तक कि सबसे अधिक विद्वान गणितज्ञों भी अध्ययन के पैटर्न के साथ चुनौती दी जा सकती है। कई कक्षाओं में सभी उम्र के छात्र अपने स्कूल वर्ष की स्टार्टिंग में पैटर्न के बारे में सीखते हैं, यानी कि पैटर्न को समझना बच्चों की जटिल संख्या अवधारणाओं, गणितीय संक्रियाओं को सीखने के लिए मदद करना है। व्हाट इज अ पैटर्न? अ पैटर्न इज एन abstract ऑब्जेक्ट और सेट ऑफ मेजरमेंट डिस्क्राइबिंग अ फिजिकल ऑब्जेक्ट्स। क्या है? रिकॉग्नाइजिंग पैटर्न इज वन ऑफ द कोर competencies ऑफ नो योर सेल्फ एंड 6 सेकंड मॉडल। Definition: acknowledging frequently recurring reactions and behaviors. Sometimes people assess new situation and respond carefully and thoughtfully, but frequently they run on an autopilot, reacting unconsciously based on habit. What is a pattern class? A pattern class is a set of patterns sharing common attributes. A collection of similar, not necessarily identical objects. During recognition, given objects are assigned to prescribed conclusion. ये जो पैटर्न है, ये क्या कहते हैं, साइंस के माध्यम से भी है, आपके साइकोलॉजी के उसमें भी है। तो हम पढ़ते हैं कि पैटर्न पहचान, डेटा में पैटर्न और नियमितताओं की स्वचालित एक पहचान होती है। इसमें डेटा विश्लेषण किया जाता है, सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग की जाती है, छवि विश्लेषण, सूचना प्राप्ति, इस तरीके से इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है। पैटर्न मान्यता की जो उत्पत्ति हुई वो सांख्यिकी और इंजीनियरिंग में हुई है। पैटर्न मान्यता सिग्नल पर अधिक ध्यान केंद्रित करती है। ये सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग को भी ध्यान में रखती है, क्योंकि ये इंजीनियरिंग में इसकी उत्पत्ति हुई है और ये शब्द कंप्यूटर दृष्टि के संदर्भ में बहुत ज़्यादा लोकप्रिय है। कंप्यूटर दृष्टि सम्मेलन का नाम कंप्यूटर विजन और पैटर्न पहचान पर एक तरीके से ये सम्मेलन है। व्हाट इज पैटर्न रिकॉग्निशन? थ्योरी algorithms, a system to put patterns into categories, relates perceived pattern to previously perceived patterns, learn to distinguish patterns and interest from their background. Pattern recognition systems are commonly trained from level training data. When no level data are available, other algorithms can be used to discover previously unknown patterns. KDD and data mining have a larger focus on unsupervised methods and stronger connection to business use. Pattern recognition focus more on the signal and also takes acquisition and signal processing into consideration. It originated in engineering and the term is popular in the context of computer vision. A leading computer vision conference is named Conference on Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition. In machine learning, pattern recognition is the assignment of a label or to given input value. In statistics, discriminant analysis was introduced for the same purpose in 1936. An example of pattern recognition is classification, which attempts to assign each input value to one of given set. Pattern recognition, two-phase learning and detection. Time to learn is higher. Driving a car difficult to learn, but once learn it becomes natural. Can use AI learning methodologies such as neural network machine learning. In curriculum from kindergarten to grade 7 identifies and describes the big ideas behind the task and activities students are engaged in and working on their classrooms. The big ideas are: we use patterns to represent identified regularities and to form generalizations. Patterns allow us to see relationship and develop generalization. Pattern recognition is the automated recognition of pattern and regularities in data. Generally aim to provide to reasonable answer for all possible inputs and to perform most likely matching of inputs taking into account their statistical variation. This is opposed to pattern matching algorithms which look for exact match in the input with pre-existing patterns. Field of study. Pattern recognition is studied in many fields including psychology, psychiatry, ethology, cognitive science, traffic flow and computer science. Pattern recognition is the automated recognition of patterns and regularities in data. It has application in statistical data analysis, signal processing, image analysis, information retrieval, informatics, data compression, computer graphics, machine learning. Pattern recognition has its origins in statistics and engineering. Some modern approaches to pattern recognition include the use of machine learning due to the increased availability of big data and a new abundance of processing power. These activities can be viewed as two facets of the same field of application, and they have undergone sufficient development over the past few decades. Pattern recognition algorithms generally aim to provide a reasonable answer for all possible inputs and to perform most likely matching of the inputs, taking into account their statistical variation. This is opposed to pattern matching algorithms which look for exact match in the input with pre-existing pattern. A common example of a pattern matching algorithm is regular expression matching, which looks for patterns of a given sort in textual data and is included in the search capabilities of many text editors and word processors. Pattern recognition is generally categorized according to the types of learning procedure used to generate output values. Learning procedure used to generate the output value on labeled data. This basically consists of sample of natural or human created artifact that can be obtained easily: photograph, video, audio. Labeled data it typically takes set of unlabeled data and augments it with some tag or class or label. Whether a photograph contains a man or woman or what kind of action are taken in video. Pattern recognition is a moral general problem that encompasses other types of output as well. Other examples are regression, which assign a real valued output to each input; sequence labeling, which assign a class to each member of sequence of values. For example, part of speech tagging, which assign a part of speech to each word in an input; and parsing, which assign a parse tree to an input sentence describing the syntactic structure of the sentence. Learning machine. Learning machine basically consists of set of algorithms that gradually learns from a set of input data and predict an output. Keyboard found on smartphone can learn from the words which we type and suggest us a set of words based on our writing pattern. ये गणित में भी एक पैटर्न होता है, लेकिन हम प्रकृति, कला, संगीत और साहित्य में पैटर्न पाते हैं। पैटर्न क्रम की भावना प्रदान करता है। शोधकर्ताओं ने पाया कि समझना और आवर्ती पैटर्न की पहचान करने में सक्षम होने से हमें शिक्षित अनुमान, धारणा और परिकल्पना बनाने की अनुमति मिलती है। एक महत्वपूर्ण थिंकिंग और लॉजिक को महत्वपूर्ण कौशल विकसित करने में मदद करता है। पैटर्न के ज्ञान और समझ को सभी पाठ्यक्रम क्षेत्रों में स्थानांतरित किया जा सकता है। कई दरवाजे खोल सकते हैं जहाँ इस ज्ञान को लागू किया जा सकता है। और इसलिए जब हम अपने बच्चों को ब्लॉक के साथ दोहराए गए पैटर्न का निर्माण करते हुए देखते हैं तो उनकी गणित पत्रिका में घटती संख्या पैटर्न को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। यह गणितीय समस्या को हल करने के लिए बढ़ते गुणांकों की एक तालिका बनाते हैं। ओवरव्यू। The unsurprised equivalent of classification is normally known as clustering. Unsupervised learning assumes that a set of training data set has been provided consisting of a set of instances that have been properly labeled by hand with the correct output. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, assumes the training data that has not been hand labeled and attempts to find inherent patterns in the data that can then be used to determine the correct output value for new data instances. A combination of the two that has recently been explored is semi-supervised learning, which uses a combination of labeled and unlabeled data. Typically, a small set of labeled data combined with a large amount of unlabeled data. Note that the case of unsupervised learning, there may be no training data at all to speak of. In other words, the data to be labeled is the training data. Pattern recognition has been defined as the ability to abstract and integrate certain elements of a stimulus into an organized scheme for memory storage and retrieval. Features of pattern recognition. 5 principles: quickly and accurately recognize and clarify unfamiliar objects, accurately recognize shapes and objects from different angles. Identify patterns and objects even when partly hidden, recognize pattern quickly with ease and with automatically. Template matching theories, features analysis, prototype theories. Top-down and bottom-up processing. An examination of the theories of pattern recognition raise the question of whether pattern recognition involves top-down or bottom-up processing. Template matching theory, structural description theory, feature theory and prototype theory. Template matching theory: external stimuli matches internal template. Vast numbers of templates are stored. Templates are created by experience. Okay, thank you for watching.